focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you?
So we are working with Asteria here today. They sent over this beautiful wig and we are gonna install it together. Now this should be fun because I've never installed a wig on my own, so let us get right into it. This is what the packaging is looking like. Really cute. Love the colors together, the blue and the gold. When you open the box, the first thing you are greeted with is the bag to store the wig. So a drawstring bag to store the wig in, of course the wig, and these goodies. So let us get right into the goodies. A edge brush, a elastic band, a pair of lashes, and 2 HD wig caps. So let us get into the specs of the hair. So it's 250 density. It's their HD lace curly 5x7 closure wig. The wig cap size is large and it is 20 inches. Ooh! This is what it is looking like straight out the box. Isn't she gorgeous? What? Guys, straight out the box, the wig is full. It is soft and I love that already. No product was added, as you guys can see. So this is it. Is it me or it's giving more than 20 inches? It looks a little bit longer than 20 inches. I'm not mad at that. It is full, straight to the tip. Love that. Love it. Okay. Anyways, let us get into the construction of the wig. The lace looks really good. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Let me give you a close-up. It is pre-cut, pre-bleach and pre-plucked. Love that. Now inside the unit, this is what the construction is looking like. So as I mentioned before, it is 5x7. This is it. It comes with 3 clips. So 1 at each side and you have 1 to the back. Also has an elastic anti-slip band. Oh, and it is adjustable and removable. Also, it has 2 adjustable straps at the back of the wig. So this wig is going to be secured. So let me just go ahead and hook these back. Let us slick her down on my head. Now this wig is definitely a ready to wear wig, but I'm going to do few tweaks on it. Now I want to see how I can pull this off without using glue and doing the most to it. What I'm going to do though is to add some foundation to the lace just to give it a more realistic look. I want it to blend with my skin tone as much as possible. This is what it's looking like straight out the box on my head. So now I'm going to remove it and just tweak it a little bit. So let us do that. So I'm going to use my foundation and apply some on the wig cap. Now I'm going to put back the wig on my head and show you guys the difference. And just adjust the band for it to be more snugged on my head. So I went ahead and do all of the little adjusting in the back just to get the wig to feel a little bit more snugged, so you guys can tell the difference, but I'm not done there. So what I'm going to do is to add a little bit more foundation, just a little on the hairline. Just a little bit with a smaller brush, just bounce it around on it. I don't want it to be too gunky. Tell me, what is the difference? Anyways. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead with my Got To Be spray and just to dab a little on the front. Not too much. Just to help with blending. Then I'm going to tie that down and work on the rest of the wig. And now that the lace is melting down, I am going to straighten the part a little bit. And then go in with my wax stick and hot comb the top just to get it to look flatter and to get rid of the flyaways. So now that the parting is much cleaner, the top is flat, no flyaway, I'm going to go ahead and define the curls. I'm just gonna use some water and mousse.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap. How the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus?
So let us see what the lace is giving. I've done this before. What lace? No. What lace? This is my hair. I grew this from my scalp. No, guys, seriously. Isn't this beautiful? What? I love it. It's perfect. No guys, probably me I took my own horn. Comment in the comment section and let me know how did I do with my first ever install. because I love it. It's really cute. Wait, let us look at the back. A little commotion for the back of the wig. Love it. Yeah, I think I did a good job. But you know what? I'm not going to give myself all the credit because the wig was so easy to work with. You guys saw what I did. All I did was to put a little foundation on the lace, pat it down with a little got to be, and just tie it down. And this is it. Oh, and you know, like flat knit and stuff like that, but it's cute. I think I did pretty good for my first install. Asteria Hair, thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. I love the wig. It is bouncy, it is full, it is soft, and she's stunning. Okay, so what I wanted to do was to brighten the part a little bit, but I don't think that's necessary. I don't think I need to do that. I think the parting is perfect. What you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, love it. But yeah, this is it, guys. So comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys think. How did I do? And remember, the link to this unit will be in my description box, so click the link down below and check them out. And remember to leave a like and a comment before you go.